Hey, buddy. Gotta get out your maps.
Alright.
We're gonna hit the road.
I'm driving in Vegas.
And this would be Lake Mead. Son of a bitch. That's neat. It's a real bag sticker. We still haven't found where to get the damn bait. Also, there's no transformers here. Must be the wrong time of year. Oh man, oh man. Let's get in this thing. Crank the AC, bud. We're sitting here Boulder City, out here right by the Hoover Dam, and well, we're gonna get some ink done. Actually, I got something I did when I was a kid. I'm gonna get it fixed up, and these are the guys who are gonna do it. Well, let's go in and see what's up. There we go. So there's the thing we're getting fixed up. Super old and looks like ass. Cool, there we go. We're all done. Nicely repaired from the old butcher job back in the day. Should be pretty cool. And just like that, we are done. We brought the car back to the rental place. How's it going, buddy?
Good.
I want to see that tattoo when we get up to the room.
What tattoo? I just hurt myself. Yeah, that's right.
This place looks shady as shit. I want to go there.
I was gonna go get another beer.
Did you get a bottle opener at the store?
Nope. No. Don't need one.
Hold on. I want to see. I want to get this on video. Okay. I actually haven't even seen exactly which one you're doing it.
He uses a few tricks, you know, rings, stuff like that, whatever, but...
Oh, right here.
Yeah, closet door.
Barely see it. Oh shit! There you go. Good job. Maybe you can lighten that up in editing.
Monorails are currently arriving every 7 minutes.
Monorail.
There's Las Vegas Station.
With level platform boarding and elevators at every station.
Casino chips, showgirl feathers.
Where the hell is this?
Oh my god. Exit the left.
So we're at the top of the monorail line, which gets off at the SLS. This place, pretty nice in there. And this place here is claiming it is the world's largest gift shop. So I gotta go look now. There's the Stratosphere. That's that place like you can like jump off it or shit. Yeah, we have no idea. We're gonna go look though. Have fun?
Yep.
Awesome. Lots to freaking do here, man. Lots to do. Holy jeez. Any baseball fans out there? God, this camera sucks. Wow, This thing is shitty at night. The video on this has, you can tell it's really old. There's no friggin', it cannot handle the dark rooms at all. It looks like ass. All right, check this out. We are in the theater after the show. Look at the friggin' mess in this place, and we're coming to see this guy. Although again, that's that horrible lighting. But we're gonna come see this guy here he's performing. He's one of the Blue Man Group. So stick around, and tomorrow we'll see a little bit of that.